job. Good job. Okay, you have more? My love. Good job. You want mama to clap hand? Ayan, nabalik niya na. Para. Good job. Kailan yung anak? Ayusin ng mama later. Yes! Are you done? You're good? Yes. Good job. Good job. Good job. There's more in there. Are you done na? Good job!